The third system is audition. In audition, sound waves are most often the result of periodic compressions of air. The frequency of sound is a number of compressions per second, measured in hertz. Pitch is related frequency, such as the higher pitch means higher frequency of the sound waves. The amplitude of the sound waves is related to the intensity and is related to how the sound is perceived. Most adults hear sound between 15,000 and 20,000 megahertz. As the sound comes, the waves travel through the pinna, which is the outer part of the ear. They then travel through the ear channel, which is here, to the tympanic membrane, also known as the eardrum. The tympanic membrane converts the vibrations to three little bones called the ossicles. They start here with the incus. This is the first of the three bones. The second is the malleus, which is the middle bone here. And then it travels to the stapes. As the sound goes through the stapes, it goes into the cochlea. This is where the little snail-like apparatus here takes the sound vibrations through the ciliary hairs and converts them into vibrations due to the movement of hair cells on the basilar membrane. The long coiled structure of the inner ear, the cochlea, takes the sound waves into the fluid. These excite auditory nerve signals, which go here. The auditory nerve signals from the cochlea to the ipsilateral and dorsal and ventral cochlear nuclei of the medulla. From each cochlear nucleus, axons protect a short distance of medial lateral superior nuclei on both of the medulla. Because of each superior olivary nucleus receives bilateral input, they are able to play a role in localizing sound sources, comparing the relative volume and time of the arrival of the same sounds to the two ears. From the superior olivary nuclei, fibers ascend the lateral lemnisci, the major lower brainstem, and the auditory pathways of inferior nuclei of the technon. The axons of the inferior collicular neurons ascend to the medial geniculate nuclei of the thalamus. From the medial geniculate nuclear axons and via auditory radiation to primary auditory cortex. The primary auditory cortex is located in the superior temporal lobe, largely hidden within the lateral fissures. Here's an example of this. After this, we start transmission into the neuron story.